it's Marvel and I'm here, guys, to teach you how to make a refrigerator in Minecraft Pocket. It's very simple, guys, but first I'm going to go to first person. Just wait, guys. Go first person, and I'm going to put some examples for my refrigerator. Here, my refrigerator. Oh, it's extra, so good. That's oh, it gives cookies.
Yeah. Whoa. So nice.
It gives a cook mod. So I'm gonna go there, and I'm going to teach you how to make like that. So first of all, we'll get some Spencer, some block of iron, a door, iron door, and a buttons. It's very simple, guys. And first, you will put some block of iron and Spencer. No, not like that. Like this, and put some block of iron in the entire dispenser and put a iron in the back of the dispenser, so it may not look so ugly. So put like that, and it looks like a refrigerator. And gonna put some Now I'm gonna get some beetroot and some pumpkin pie. Gonna put that in there. Okay. And there. And gonna put the door like this. Like this. Gonna facing back in the dispenser and put like that. Okay? And put some button over there. And okay, guys, now it gives. This is my simple refrigerator, and don't forget to put some likes in my videos. Thank you. Bye.